Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello guys, welcome in Xamarin Android tutorial. What is Xamarin and what is Xamarin Android? Xamarin is a platform allows you develop in C# and native apps for Android and iOS. Lets you build and develop Android apps. What we will cover in this tutorial. First, user interface. We will talk about the complete set of user interface. In UA or user interface, we will talk about first Android designer and second layouts like read layout. Third and finally controls. In controls, we will talk about something like action bar and buttons and spinners and everything in controls. Second, Xamarin Essentials. We will talk in this chapter about Xamarin Essentials features. Example of features of Xamarin Essentials like battery, flashlights, SMS and more. Third and finally, we will talk about data access. How to access data, make use of SQLite. So, what are you waiting? Go to the first video.